guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about malunggay or Moringa oleifera. This is often called the miracle tree, guys. Is a nutrients plant offering numerous health benefits from managing blood sugar and cholesterol levels to acting as powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. So guys, those who are foreigners or those who are not very familiar with malunggay or moringa, this is very healthy to your body, no? Healthy to our body. Sinabi ko na, managing blood sugar and cholesterol levels. This is how to clean the malunggay or the moringa. This is the leaves, and it must be this one. It's so easy. Just do that. And you must also remove the small parts. No? It's not so easy. The small stalk, because it's like it will cause choking, guys. So it's like little bones. So you must remove this one, no? And it's very good for the soup, like chicken soup or fish soup or any with meat. You can even crabs or shrimps for making soup. And some are making juice with this, and some are making bread with this, the malunggay pandesal. This is also famous in the Philippines. So guys, it's very common in the Philippines, this malunggay. It will just grow easily if the malunggay tree will grow and the branches is getting older or getting bigger. You can just cut that and plant that directly. So it will grow more leaves again. No? So it's very common in the Philippines. Common in the neighbors. If you have malunggay trees, mostly the neighbors, they will just ask you, can I have, or ayo, tagay ko, o pahingi ng malunggay, ganon. It's free, but in some country like Norway, it's maybe around 10 of these stock, o sa palwa, 10 of these, it costs 27 kroner. It's more than 100 pesos. But here in the Philippines, you can buy this 5 pesos with so much, no? Or you can just ask from the neighbors. So, kain tayo. Let's try, or sa hindi pa nag-try, try malunggay, no? And I will have vlog also later on. I will make chicken soup with malunggay. And unsa nang gihiwa nimo kanang alin? Unsa nang gihiwa nimo kanang sayuti. So sayuti also is very famous here in Philippines. It's easy to grow, and sayuti is anti cancer. It's juicy. So I will have another vlog during my chicken soup making. So that's all, folks. Malunggay, again, malunggay is helping our blood sugar, managing our blood sugar and cholesterol levels, to acting as a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. And those, I know, though there are also Filipinos, especially the new grown generation, sometimes they are eating only Jollibee, McDonald's, or some fast foods. They forgot to eat malunggay, or they don't like malunggay. But they they forgot that malunggay have so much benefits, called sometimes as the miracle fruit. Okay, that's all folks. Bye! Malunggay, malunggay mo daha. Init pa.